Who is here?
Oh, you there, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I want to buy Gary. How much is this cup?
600.
600? Oh, don't worry, I'll give you 300
No,
naira.
sir.
Sell for me 300.
No, sir. If you don't want to buy 600, you just leave.
What? You should get that. Don't hurry for your elders. Eh? But I'm your customer. You pet me.
Which customer? You just came here for no reason. No.
Where's your parents?
Which parent?
Oga, pikin say make you get that now. Get that.
Thank God you're here, sir.
Eh?
Yes.
Which I'm here.
You have to speak to me.
Now because you know the behavior now.
What?
You know they for this country. You know no say things cost. Something of 600, the price 300.
What?
What happen?
My money.
It's your money.
Yes.
Okay, I want to ask you a question. But before I ask you, might check something.
What's that for?
I want to use my physical, spiritual, and mental eye check you. Oh! Teachers! Why they say teachers are stingy?
You have problem with teachers?
I get problem with you now.
What?
Echo, everything in the price. I want to ask you one question.
Go on.
Which people money then they use pay you salary?
The children's school fees?
The children's school fees.
Of course.
Okay. The children, I think they be your customers.
Definitely.
If they talk about pets, if they pet them.
I'm like president. They're in school to learn.
Oh, why will you pet them? Why will you pet them? The question I want to ask, why be say teachers, they teach wetin they know they fit do?
I thought you're somebody.
See you, big head like you.
All
See
right.
shoe, say head big. Una dey teach wetin una no go fit do. You get rubbish. Because they do this thing, you laugh.
This is my limit. You not go down.
Hey!
Big. Stop it.
Stop shaking. Who are you?
What?
Una.
Oh, uncle. Instead of you to stop foolishness, I am supporting foolishness. Uncle, something's wrong with your brain. You need Jesus.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Woman! Sorry, but you hope another defeat day you will learn.
No, na me fuck up.
Mr. Reno, you don't come, you know they play, when you want fall.